sea urchins makes the coastline like a desert, and it's no other species almost but sea urchins, and the production and the habitats for a lot of other species like the juvenile cod, for example, disappears. So the kelp forest is like the forest on land. It's everything. In this project we have made the kind of ecosystem model, who is supporting or who is decreasing who in the food chain. Like the crabs are reducing the sea urchins are using the kelps. So if the crabs are reducing the sea urchins, the kelp come back, and then you can see the cod is coming up. So you can use this kind of model how these animals are interacting in a kind of management model. We were lucky because we find that crabs were very important in eating the sea urchins. And then it was obvious because we could compare the Nordland, the mid-Norway, and the very far northeast, close to the border of Russia. So we had good evidence that the crabs was eating the sea urchins, and then the kelp come back. I'm a very lucky person that can explore the very nice Norwegian coast, and we do both recording by a video camera that we drop down to the bottom and look at the monitor on the boat, and then we also do diving to have more quantification and more specific results that we collect by divers. So we have a lot of hours spending along the coastline with boat and diving, and it's a hard work, but sometimes it's nice in good weather, and sometimes we are freezing in the cold summers up north. We can do it for more management of the coastline, and you can also learn how the different species are dependent on each other, so that you can manage the coast by harvesting, by exploring the resources, and you can also use the coastline for more exploitation, maybe if creating new values like fisheries, tourism. Maybe also you can explore or grow more kelps, and you can see how kelps are supporting a lot of other animals, and maybe you can start kelp harvesting. And there's a lot of things you can use both in nature management and maybe also in creating new values.